Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have actually a really exciting project to talk about today, and it's one of the nicest, cleanest, most explained projects I've seen within the CNFT space. So we are talking about CNFTs. The project is called Stank Ape Speak Easy, as you guys can see here in their Discord. The project is a brewery, so it's one of the first NFT projects, CNFT projects that are going to be integrating NFTs within in real life brewery, which is really awesome to see. We all like beer, we all like NFTs. Why not mix the two, right? So let's just get the most important information out of the way first. So if you are whitelisted, you guys are minting for 48 ADA at on August 27th, which is going to be at 6 p.m. UTC. So that's a decent price if you manage to get whitelist. The public mint is going to cost you 58 ADA, so not only 10 extra ADA if you are going in the public mint, which I think that's great. That's very cheap, not too bad. It's about $30 to $20 right now, I believe, the price of ADA, and that is going to be on August the 28th at 3 p.m. UTC. So if you are interested, that's the prices. Make sure you've got your ADA in your wallets ready to go. So let's get right into the project. So, Stank Ape Speakeasy is the first ever CNFT project to offer real-life brewery integration. And the best part is they actually own a brewery. If we just scroll down a little bit here, here is their in real life brewery. You can literally visit this. These guys are open for you to come over. They plan on hosting events, giveaways, some sort of ideas of like where there's a chalkboard inside the brewery or outside. You can draw whatever your mind wants to create, use your creativity. Draw it on the chalkboard, and every month they're going to take a snapshot of whatever is on the chalkboard at the time, and they're going to try and turn that into an NFT. I think that's really cool. It's very unique. Like, there's a lot of community-centered things with this project, and it's actually really cool to see. Another thing I noticed as well is this is just based off the brewery as well. Like, if you have a look here, you've got 5 windows. There's windows on the side here. It's just an identical copy, which is great. You know, they're using their own building in the NFT space as well, and their website is really cool as well. We'll get over to the website in just a bit. They plan on giving back a lot of the stuff. They plan on giving you guys royalties through their own NFT collection back to you guys. Tons of different giveaways, doing charitable stuff as well. Always good to see in a project like this. This brewery's been going around for about 4 years now, and they've actually like got out and distributed around 40,000 cans, which is really nice. Like, that's a decent number, right? So they are pumping away, making the beer, producing it, giving it to different retailers for them to sell. And what they're planning on doing is adding a QR code, which is just down here, to the side of the can. So if we just scroll down a little more, you can see you've got the NFT here, you've got the QR code, which you can scan, which will take you to the website, give you information about it, etc., etc. But let's just read up a little bit about the QR code. So, as we mentioned in our white paper, we are integrating a QR code onto our wholesale beer cans labels. We currently distribute our craft beer to 50 plus local vendors in the greater Philadelphia, PA area, a population of 6+ million people, which is huge. So they've got 50 plus local vendors. I'm sure over time this may become into big retailers, like maybe in like Walmart. I'm not from the US, so I'm not too sure what type of retailers they have there, but over in the UK you've got like Asda, Tesco's. Who knows, one day they could become that big and they'll be distributing it throughout big massive retails and supermarkets, which would be very cool to see. This QR code will serve as a channel for new people to enter the NFT space, specifically the CNFT space, through our project. It's currently linked to the website, which is nice. This will serve dual purposes, marketing for the whole entire CNFT space. So they're not just interested in promoting their own project, they want the CNFT space to rise and grow together. And what this does for this project is, one, not only does it give it a really good reputation within the CNFT space and projects will want to partner up with this, two, bringing new investors into the space, and 3, it's just providing the education and information people really need to do. And that's another thing they've done on their website, is actually include what is a blockchain, what is ADA, what is Cardano. So that is really good to see as well. And obviously it's going to market their own brewery, which is what they want. Then you've got another thing here, guys. So furthermore, the QR integration will provide other NFT projects to market through their cans, which is absolutely a brilliant idea. So for example, Space Pugs Alpha, maybe they want to use their marketing on these cans. They'll get a QR code, maybe a little NFT at the top, and it's going to be paid marketing through beer. What? That's just incredible, because the revenue is going to come back into the project, back into the brewery, increase the business, increase the potential, just keep growing and growing from there. So it's really unique. This is very smart and very, very well thought out of. And then here's a couple of pictures of their designs. You guys have already seen this on the thumbnail of this video, but let's just take a little nosy here. You've got an orange one, you've got Belgian style beach wit. You've got blood orange, which blood orange is quite nice. You've got double IPA, very cool. Another awesome thing about this project, it's going to be doxed. Obviously, if you're going to go and meet them in person, you can do. Obviously, they're going to show themselves off. So you guys can come in a Discord and look at meet the team, look at all the roadmap, all that type of stuff as well. I'm going to leave all links down below for Discord, website, all that information. Let's take a little look at what the actual art is you will be buying. So you've got these gorilla monkey type looking things. This guy looks hideous. I mean, look at him, he's puking right now. But it's pretty decent art, isn't it? It's not bad. It's nice cartoony style. It's not too realistic. It's not too just all over the place. It's their own design. It's about a brewery. This guy's got beer cans on the top of his head. He's probably drank too much, you know? Very epic. Then we scroll down a little bit more. You've got this monkey shooting lasers out of his eyes with whatever's going on in the back there. You've got demon wings. You've got this one. We've got all types of colours of angel wings with rainbow colour. This guy looks like he's been smoking too much stuff. I think you've got a bit like wavy colours going on in the background here. So the art is pretty decent. It's not bad. And plus all the value you get from the utilities. That is the best part about this. So moving over to their website. The website is probably one of the best CNFT project websites I have seen. The interactivity within the website, like I've checked all this out, obviously. I have to do that for getting the information. And as soon as you come on here, you've got like a little story, right? So around the corner, behind the whales, they can often be found at the Stank Speakeasy. Like approach the Speakeasy door. So you click on here, you approach the door, it takes you to a new page. You've got like a gorilla here at the window guarding the building, you know, ready to see what's going on. It's knock knock, who's there type thing, say the password. So you knock here, you come through, and it takes you onto the website. And then you get introduced to these two, like looks like guards, and then you've got like the mafia boss in the background, unless maybe it's just a guy who's drank too much, maybe, who knows. But this is the website. It's brilliantly done. It's a nice little story as you click into it, and it just introduces you to all the information you need. So it's very brilliantly designed. So whoever these guys have got and hired, congrats. This is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. Another thing a lot of projects don't actually do for some reason is they don't even have their JPEG store linked. Like if you just click here, I assume it's going to take you to there now. Yeah, it does. It's already there. It's all linked, all ready to go. Like straight away, it's right there. As soon as you click the website, that's what you want. Boom, there's the store. Boom, check it out. Projects don't even do that. Don't know why. I recommend them all do this. And then if you just go through all, it gives you more and more information about the entire project. You've got like phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 1 is pre-launch, Twitter, website, all that Gucci stuff. Phase 2 is minting and perts. Host parties, so you've got different parties with Bad Fox Motorcycle Club giveaways, Seal Society giveaways, Tomas giveaways, and so on, so on. And you've got Space Pugs there. Shout out to Space Pugs as well. Phase 3 is post mint, which is going to be happening very soon. A sizable added donation will go towards anti-poaching to save the apes and other wildlife through Martial Beach Safari. I think that's how you say that. That's very nice to see. Moving on to the chalkboard, guys. You've got the S.A.S.E chalkboard, which I was talking about before. So let's have a little read through it. Will become operational once the pre-sale period is over. It exists as the physical location of the speakeasy. Permission will be accessible only to the wallets containing at least one ape. That's very cool. So it is like a private little club to get inside the brewery, to get inside this speakeasy, which is cool. Like any good dive bar / brewery, this is a place to draw, scroll, or write expletives. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that. Each ape holder will be able to paint on the chalkboard wall every month. It will be photographed and uploaded as its own NFT collection, a members-only canvas for the discerning minds of crypto Twitter. We're pretty sure it's going to be full of clams and sausages, which is so cool. Whether someone's going to do something maybe like dirty drawing or something, and whether they'll do that or not, I'm not sure. But it's so cool and unique that they're doing something like this. And then when I was saying about education-wise, like front page on their website, you've got what is a blockchain, the best one, Cardano. Bit more information there would be good, but they've got stuff like that. It's just stuff as the team docs, all the stuff you need to know. And there's pictures of the team here. Where I guess if you click on the link here, it goes to LinkedIn. It does. That is brilliant. Another thing I highly suggest for every project, make sure you put your information on here so people can see your publicly doxed, see your backgrounds. This project just amazes me as more as I read this. I've already read it once, but I'm reading it again. It's just fantastic. So now we're moving on to the white paper. I've just clicked a little button that said white paper. It takes you to this massive white paper. It is absolutely huge. It's very organized well. It's very informative. It's very easy to read. So we've already done introduction here. So let's have a little talk about the collection size. So there will be a total of 7,500 apes released onto the Cardano blockchain at 58 ADA each. 7,000 will be available through our mint, while 500 will be reserved for the team. So there's going to be 200, and then there's going to be 300 for giveaways as well. While we realise we are reserving a large percentage of the mint, we are doing so for strategic reasons. Our team has faith in being able to grow the value of our project and decided to take the majority of personal payments through S.A.S.E, CNFTs, as opposed to royalties. This will allow us to reinvest 50% of all royalties back to the holders of the project in future charities. We plan to reward those engaged with the community through many avenues of giveaways, including poker tournaments, disco games, all that type of good stuff. We also plan to reward our loyal holders with giveaways tailored for those who hold our apes without listing. You've got a little distribution here, guys. I'm not going to go through this. You can do this in your own time. But a quick little thing. You've got like 10% going back to the brewery, 20% to the treasury, 20% marketing, all that good stuff. So they're very detailed, very thought through for all this. Now, this one's pretty cool. They're going to be hosting a yearly private catered party for holders. You're going to be able to come to the Mick Alistair's brewery if you're a holder. Alcohol will be charged separately. Keep in mind, they've got to make the money, guys. Come on. We want to develop a strong community, not only online, but in person as well. Also, I'm sure they'll be handing out freebies as well. I'm sure they will. We anticipate this to be an absolute blast for holders and can't wait for everyone to have fun and meet each other in real life. So it is very cool. They're going to be able to host parties in this brewery. I mean, imagine the taste of it as well, like fresh beer. But they've got future plans here with buying virtual brewing equipment, and if you manage to combine all your pieces of equipment, that gives you voting rights to the project. You can decide where the project goes, where it maybe spends its money, all that type of stuff. You guys can have a little read through this in your own time. They got the hammered apes drop. We realised that our stank apes will be parched, and once they satiate the thirst with some brews, they will become hammered apes. Thus, we will be releasing our limited hammered ape collection. So they're going to be hammered apes. They're going to be drunk. If you drank too much, that's going to be hammered apes, and then they're going to give you bonus utilities and rewards as well. Chalkboard NFTs, we've already gone through that. Draw your thing when you go to the brewery in real life. Really like that. Really unique idea. And then make a collection of it. Going to have some community engagement. There's going to be future virtual brewery utilities. Just so much stuff, guys. Here's the cans. They're going to be in shops around their area. It's fantastic. So, guys, I'm very excited for this project. I'm personally going to try mint a few. I don't have whitelist. Maybe the team might give me whitelist. Who knows? I might do a Twitter giveaway on Twitter if they give me some. But, guys, this project looks fantastic. Got in real life utility. You can visit them in real life if you want to. You need to make sure you have an NFT first. Go buy beer from them. You can go to the local stores and they'll have their beer on the shelves. Guys, this is very exciting. If this project does well and they keep expanding, there's going to be more money going back to you. Be more revenue streams for the brewery to grow. They might do future NFT collections. There's endless possibilities with this project. So guys, you have absolutely smashed it, and shout out to the team. I was meant to do an AMA with them, but because of the time differences, it was very difficult to arrange stuff with my busy life and their busy life. So we might do an AMA with them at some time in the future. But guys, this has been S.A.S.E. I think that's how you say it, S.A.S.E. In the short term. It's very exciting. I'm very excited, very hyped. So if you did enjoy today's video, leave a like, subscribe for more content. I know I've not been around much because I've been busy, just relaxing, chilling, doing other stuff and building my own project, the Rebellion project. So yeah, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.